Nimanya. Bajamire Empire Shop. Ariyo?
Gwakaza kibuga kagura famu yari.
Yes, so exchange bra. You know, wine kuba no bamanya. Because nubo hati nyonkanye. Nimba sakubihana kujya nti nkijo music ndakumajeno gion. That is nimba ninyebi actually. Akuba bahagize bono bacemanya. Ngo kigumire kugamba ha music ya Western Uganda ninga ya Uganda. Okanya ngo umuntu orukwesho ngororo nyankorero
nothing to do with the broke of token njento breakage taking njiri like niye tumere watchenga that deep because nimanya urugo birobo nanko bwagizamu kuko ruko to no mind that extent ninga sibuka break
ngani njimanya honestly era na wabu anyway timu wa Omega na byijuka my G era that ubiyabira ayizere nawe Omega na Paulo people
2019
actually wano nakumangu research njine Nyoni ma Omega Remy Harris.
She rebranded. She's now Omega 256.
Omega 256. Very talented.
Yeah. Junior Fox.
Junior Fox ni manya. Nimba manyabo. Ni manya
Murigo muleta amazina go music. Amazina tubetwaga.
Hapana. Nubo atunoreba. Wanja
don't wanja muntu watakuchima yaza kwa ria tamerete songoro cha Junior Fox atunga skando katika
Junior Fox.
Hatu wanja ntokumanya nikiri.
Naonye toroza.
Tokumanya nikiri. No, of course. Hata ni nkoreka nyendorebe the people, the calmness, they are stars. Unoza kushanga MVP is a big radio personality. Manager Santana. No mbugana akora musyaje very normal. Arabana
fame te kubiya ho that
that. No shanga abana ba Ivan ogogo wa Vision.
Yeah, Ivan.
Na akora musyaje they are nice people. Baba feel bataba.
Dixon.
You know? No muzito.
My first time meeting a people. Yes, all right. Sankole Media thing this. I myself with the Sparks and one Savage on it. Yes. Ejin weekly spotlight hano yankore Media TV. Yes, aho kuturebera ho na ori ya YouTube wotaka subscribing na naba subscribing. Thanks for keeping up with us. Turiya TikTok, turiya Facebook, wherever Nkore Media is the place to be. Of course nimba ine beazini zedje burizu serebu wambara kumanya bakwara bo
wakampa otakatireho nitemasa munyinca kare notemba no garuka rukunjire
banza yakora abantu rero garuka gambere abwe yacu twino another guest today.
All right, we were mnoga tureba ntubasimira kimwe from day one. I think from since 2020 etwajetire Nkore Media, you've been supporting us. We respect you, we love you. Kana abantu mwena ntuonjera kuja ntukubahereze zine ryanje beazine ZDJ serebu wambara kandi ntubakira Nkore Media. Today on Spotlight we have a guest na tuza kumwanjura inga naza kweyanjura akubokonka abakutumanya Nkore Media ni mango no witu
temusia abatuyirana bamanya
family iwuri family
for those who have just joined
twetaga kugira ngo tugere ngo mujenya ariho mutayi witu ariho mutayi witu twinana bamwita Hilary Don ni artist na muhandiki w'byeshongoro na eshongora content creator Boom the boy.
Yeah.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Twakwakira msabandi.
Amina mwebare mnonga Nkore Media kandi nabaro kutureba amazina ni Hilary Don. Boom the boy.
Boom the boy.
Straight out amude Empire. Umweshongozi wanyu. Yindi mweshongozi muto kureka ndi umweshongozi musya. Yakobine kacenga
aza by the way neshonga nkuru norobuye winja abantu kokora tongashagameta kumumanya nasa ko barumusya in your eyes but tumuto. He has been here
so he has been in the industry.
Hilary Don rakazina dona ko nikachera gakutenza abantu
I know
but we are so glad okushanga ngo today we have joined us on the spotlight. So Hilary Don habata kumumanya Hilary Don naruga mu family ya music like the label stuff.
Hilary Don ngoko nabagambire ni ndugo mude Empire, that is my music record label. So mude Empire niyo management yanje kandi no signed and managed by Mude Empire management. Umweshongozi wena nori umweshongozi wihanga.
So uguni Hilary Don koki abagambira all the way from Moody Music Empire. And of course joining Spotlight. So there's ni manyenye mao enyuma hoka no story yo inokwana ujinsingaho so tingumanya mumanya myaka yamara muninga abantu batwegambira myaka yamara mu kintu akwa yaja ngo tuwa hati
ninjira akuba beba discussed with him anu yabareba kuri media boni bamanya kananye ni manya hokache okuyo haruho basi media it respecting someone new kandi enjere y'abantu bakoyongera kutufollowinga ntimanisa nti they need to know more about him so okuyaho hera Don ekibuzo cyakubasa ku rugo ko niwenda ku omukomorebe ningo muri tuzana asa kujati hera Don we nakora type ya music nakora style ya music kandi ndongo we kujitamu officially akajitamu bwiriki
so take us through your
if then tandike tubitema
music journey takasimbwire mbarasi
I know so hati hacha type ya music ninga ekika cha music yindi ukora icyo tenda kugira internet ninga kiriya wabora akuba umweshongozi wena nari omwegesa so nimbasa kwegesa omungeri yone yinareba nibasa kushesha nkutereka dongo kamwe ninga njireti nkutera amapiano ninga njireti nkutere so hati nyondi ndiyo mwegesa so okunatunga message yo kushomesa nukwenda kugireta so tinde hochika tinde hochi konkani nyinyeshongora kandi nyegesa okwemberero ho kweri
2000 obumperuka gambani okanja mu 2016 ukawa tandikire disc ukawajiro mu disc
yeah hatu noreba 2016 nkaba ndi ya university yeah nanabagambire nti ndumusia kungatinde muto kakwa kunyenda abahagikira akutwa kiriyaringe katabeba so wahura 2016 jo kandi kambinta kumanya so hati 2016 nubwo nataho mu disco though not officially because of passion burumwesho nguzwe na hari nakimanya ngo endongo nozarwa nayo hati nyonka gitandikiro mu kanisa rero bampumude no bakimanya ndukwaya leader actually mageza hina ashomire primary school erikikoronga aho warga katozo kikorongo karya then mpumude so niho natandikire ndukwaya leader ndiyo mwozo nacho kitabebecho so nkakura nacho naza hakanisa still nabakwaya leader naba chairperson weminyeto abampumude cyacho Uganda ndiyo mu kanisa yeah ndiyo wachacho Uganda
so gemurofurani
ranga kenda nze kun so cyakora kitiyo konkatata omugurusi wanje ari umukambwe wari kwenda doctor so mutakebuza bwenchi ndumusia kandi ndiyo wira so muze yogwe mbwenu wene mbabazi konkariyo ni muramusyaho umwami chance nwahebwo wampumude ni nkuramusyaho munonga n'umucyara wawe hope bigarwire yakuba nimwe mwandetire naturaho kwereza abantu banje konka final ngarukire era nija so hati omukutura hoko ni nshoma kandi muze yayinamani minje munonga kiboka jine cyandetera kushanga ngo music nkagigenda ho mpora konka passion ejo kukunda kwangu mamu nkibandeho naho rekeshongoro ntecho nto mwana yakora je numbe manya mwe nabine biconco numanyi kirukumanyisa so hatu nuko 2016 yizire wabara nkabanza nayemereramo mpaka 2024 na hati
so ejo break tsebo tekinjire break chireting manya ubire bweno beno fumbo
abantu bagumana bahora mpumude neshangwa
mpumude neshangwa ari Antonde
so tuno abanyarya Antonde twino mwana wanyu
konga still nabashema ndiyo wabo abantu bitegeraho kabwo yesebo
irare Don kujoka natugambira uriyo mwomba ntabizire henyuma ho kace enyuma ho munonga
yego
kusinga nito bamwe bari go music already kutabistari kandi tekateka ngo a lot has changed so what one reflecting from 2016 na hatia habireho nankantano sochi music ya Western Uganda specific
nibyinje bihindukire konka icyo kubanza cyabyona abana bizere na talent insya hatabe nabire nimanya buriya be nabirende nabo tububariye hatwino he biconce bisya twino abana basya then na nekindi na platforms zihindukire bakuba buriya nyonkizere twatwine Facebook konka tunoja kweshanga uri Facebook honka no basobuta nensi ne basobuta kumanya hatwine TikTok twine X buriye kere Twitter umirembe yitu hati nshangirere X Instagram mbe nebintu binje bihindukire konka n'abana beyongere kweshongora je buri mwaka abana beyongera kureta ikintu kirungi hatarunyankorero nuzere buzima.
I think by 2016 it's Sparks and Dawn. 2016 tukantura amazina nka Megaton,
Field Marshal,
Field Marshal, Dion, Exit ni ho yijiro
Prince,
Prince not 2017
konga
16
bakinaho ni nkwesiga
Exit akatanga mati. So by that time one ora amazina nkago right now ukashanga ati of course ba mati bakiraho 17 18 tipo 19 18 so ukashanga ntati ba truth
truth 256
truth na webaka konka ukishanga kaje kwasa line
15 truth akaya tandiki
kwasa line ni towards lockdown after lockdown
so twantureba that move na nenjere na revolution ya art transition akubana barwe bakushaka ruha bandi ba nikiri nabandi
twantureba
mokshe
asa mwa by the mokshe ari na shasha niyo ngakore
mokshe ni mpamya waterire nkamureba ho bambe gayo gwe
ijo mukane nugo mukanambuga na kugawa kanisa
hospitals akaroko kahari
tinkumanya wayakire
mokshe no ija kutugambira
kabuganira aho nyoni ntira kuza yo kushaka so ati twantu bara transition na nenjeri generation zihinduka akwa right now twantwija nkati recently no kujote bagambire Ambroy Banjo Simbajike
norangu umuntu wabire conscious 2016 ati yimukege sa nasanga ho
nasanga ho search soro
search soro
wachireba
mapiano
bounce noreba ngu twine transition zikweyongera kwa iwe nkiwe transition zezi noreba ngo nizitutahe kandi kindi zine ahizi kutware ndongo yitu
we bari munonga ZJ transition turugaruka nyuma turontwe yongera noreba nobwo kuberi business kankwe cyo kurebera washanga ngo mwine hardware emwe mucyanga cyamansa barukombekana muza kuba mu rubaci aha bwaci mwabigura bakahwaho numba mwayemerera konga tuwashanga ngo hardware zakanya washanga ahubwo atine misimari noza kugiho wananga so ishanga ngo enkurakurana yija hacanga so abana kuba koma kweyongera bahereza n'abantu options haro kwesha
different music tests
exactly rakwa no ijo yeshanga
feeling cyana
yes sato shangu yatabasa kunda rese Simbajike hati kandi yakundoha
akokurja ko wakiga
man ninga washangori ari wa search soro undiza zo waposha sato yeshanga ngo tests are different kandi kunka at the end of that day tweshanga ngo industry mune korachi netemba era abana mwena bari kweshongora nimbasha bangu mutaka yetina we ne style yo kurango niyo rukumanyaje iwe gitere abahagizi akuba industry ni nkenyanja burarukuza yo najo bebye nyanja byihayo
the other day I had Arantonics yajango biro yabe nashonga style today ni yerho niba unknown bakwishonga astukati yesongo rushango one day
buriya bakaba kumugiyesa
konka eventually style
batakumucenga konka hatu norengu ejumbu ati nyendo rebe nkebisati ibisati buriya bikabirye bisati masavu kabirye byabamuze y'abagurusi konka hati wotajwire kisato n'utara umusigazi
na kapare ka kitaka
of course hatizere na kitaka pare ijo ndebere mwana wanje kasuku najya ati ubu nubwo pare bwa kitaka babita kitaka so norengu revolution transition ne yamba industry hata bahagize bine tests no hurikiza tipo hurikiza mati hurikiza exit ohura ray ohura omega Simbajike ohura hira redoni nteye virwe I know so konka no hurikiza different people different music ba Ambro yabo no ijuka akija with a different umwana yakitera and his yes yakwatoro nyankore yarunuza hari abana ba sa fact zamani barakabare nakutere ikintu hurure ikintu cyashitamo sakisora komoka kuri yahanze kunkoreba ngo umbafumbira orengwe ikintu yakiretaje and people are enjoying surely.
So there's something I'm enjoying about this show is that ukafamo bwa bloga.
Hey,
because this concept no abinja beshongozi wena koma kweshongora but bakuchaka ku analyzing that deep. Yani mama moneta hano yagamba music yeye
ata arwabanta abana binkuma binta customer nabapana abo amagize make
bakanesoninga kandi
otache otabarabya mwe gari we are one family
we need them.
Yeah, of course. Konka all in all waja ngo uriyo mweshongozi kandi utakwendeza industry no manyisachi hata nyona imerera nkakugira nti ndihira redon ninyeshongora ngakugira nti posha tinko mumanya ninga posha takweshongoraje no manyisachi.
That means being an artist you need to do research.
You need to know more about the industry. Not just about your music. Not going deep into
toka kora botiko takumahiva gure myenda.
So is that something to do with the broke of token ngento breakage take injury? Like niye tumere watching that deep because ni manya urugo birobwa nankobo wagizamu kuko rukoto no mind to that extent ninga singa break
ngani manya honestly era na wabu anyway timu wa Omega na byijuka my G era that ubiyabira ayizere nawe Omega na Paulo people
2019
actually wano nakumangu research ingine nyoni ma Omega Miharis
she rebranded, she's now Omega
256 very talented
yeah Junior Fox
Junior Fox ni manya ni manyabo ni manya
muri gano mureta amazina go music amazina tubetwaga
hapana noreba wanja don't
wanja no watakuchimanya naza kwa rya tamerecho songoro cha Junior Fox atunga katkaya
Junior Fox
hata wanja ngutokumanya nikiri tokumanya nikiri toku you know no yebiha ba Medotex American is my friend actually respect selector Medo you know wanja ngutokubamanya tokuma sister Charity no manyachi Rasta Charles legend respect tokuma Red Maria mtendati you know
you need to know more about the industry
beyond your manya yes beyond your music
actually you should go beyond omanya na ba John Kawa
ni manya ba Jamire Empire Sharp ariyo
ngo akazache boga kagura famu yari
yes so exchange bra you know wine kwano bamanya because nuboba hati nyonkanye nimba sakubiha nakugira nti nkijo music ntakuma Geno Gion that is nimba ninyebi actually akwa bahagize bono bacemanye ngo kigumere kugamba ha music ya Western Uganda ninga ya Uganda ukanya ngo umuntu orukwesho ngoro runyankorero na kitara tokumanya Geno Gion tokuma Tibro really no manya ukanya ngushaye no mukigawe tokumanya
amazina birutire mutiburo
no wakubana ho watanka kwagira music
you know yokanya ngushaye no mukiga tokumanya Snazi or vocalist tokumanya Snazi
by the way that's Snazi
yes because me am a vocalist so I know
Snazi G-boy Renis
yes G-boy yeah G-boy is a good boy
ngoma ya nankaji ya open verse challenge
ya Kenzo practical
akadistama na ride Kenzo kabanza yazi
yes hatu wanja ngutokubamanya no biha origo music so nanima abana barukwija dekamba habure mwaka maybe tutakagire hari mugezeho kumanya ababa bandeze yo no baha tokunyangora vocalist tokunyangora vocalist tokumanya tipo tokumahira Redoni tokumanya Ray G tokumanya Prince Exit actually abinji
where do you draw the inspiration
no hata no orgay you know
no achugamo bugoma
yes tokuma producers actually I'm nabo you know tokuma Mr Bruno
these people bakora behind the scenes
yes they never get tokumanya nonyereka tokumanya Mr Bruno tokumanya Nyanjo gundi actually Bruno achana Bruno Beats Alpha
kumusana wa brand
yes no but nchona kambira transition hata nyonka manya Bruno gwe akira Alpha
achatere ngo mu muture vuki
yaba Bruno Beats hata nyowe mushangira Mr Bruno but no umwe but so transition zezo
abarugazi ubwazo mu Kisenyi
na
hakira kuza
hata Liverpool House
yeah
Liverpool House
Bruno nawe ni Shwenkuru
Shwenkuru
akakuchingamba like
he has been there
here kandi abakipinje
nore sparks noza kweshanga ngo because you're passionate about what you do na zed job hati nyoze je nkamshanga kirya kana
gato no murawe
hati rinde ya akakora muno bunyama na gamba you know so sikumanyisa ngo atwireho munonga but akatunga passion bukerekare
Ndichimbe ndo mwana kubuza mwana I was with someone tukureba nanga the sit down ya Juliana aine Douglas rangama tukasi Douglas izimboze zakutebya Douglas no wari ya
you see ati nyonga nakutebeza ni nkoreka ngo abamwe no research yes abamwe no research kugira ngo abana bakuzire please abana bakira bato nembura kareju just bakatunga passion bukerekare
actually I think nkatwaga Bruno
Mr. Bruno ya
Mr. Bruno right now akuba ni ntekateka breakthrough yeye akora za nkwina kwata uri kwenda akore za murebi bici so you see twata secondary please
yeah
but few years back
just a few years back konga kugira ngo hatuwe Bruno akamanya ikicyonjo cyahikiri ya mati nyowe ndiyo mutezo we nanga
araba kutwarwa twase
yes
era producer chaka DJ chaka MC
no nebichoncho I don't blame them no baso utaba blame yes
but you need to ni DJ ni MC
however you have hatuwe Bruno akajat camp let me prioritize production konkabona bakozere nawe no bakimanya what he is he's a lion behind the scenes.
You are one of them. Just to give us like an experience working with. By the way, this people like you work na Bruno.
No, katubanza ari umuntu wako badiyo kwataka manyere Bruno nuwo. Bruno ntugambo muntu ine hit songs in Western
One of the biggest producers. Omuyihanga haza
na breakthrough zabeshongoza bindi.
Na mention abagambire nyuma
nkabajyango zabeshongoza bindi.
Bruno nyawe ni mweta the king of Western Ugandan music because of the influence yatire.
Yeah, true. And he's a cool guy.
Abashongoza bamuri abiro mukono.
Akwatwa checking
ibyo. Ne papa, haraba kumwita papa.
Yes, that guy is a father in music.
Big deal.
Nkakora artist ya nankaya my all time favorite songs akarebi songa gusa tubyana bikorwa mu wingi.
Yeah.
Esongore cha Rabata King. Esongore cha Butabakati Paul. Esongore cha Rage chana. Like this guy
no mangu Bruno gwe one time around 20 obyatire ni nkwesiga ibiri
ni nkwesiga
bakakoraho countdown akaba ine ni nkwesiga ya Rage hariho ni nkwesiga ya Prince Exit aine nibamanya ngono rindamu that guy no
yeah
that guy nibamweto ha why something Nikuwai Vanikiwai I don't know mwija kutereza mwaba abarebi konka akakesho kanorinda karuho
ayo noza
kahunzire ababozwa ababiri Elvis and Shine aine hono okora ki like akatunga
so hatu na kachera
yes mission ziza Geno Gioni so wanjirangu
gaya kama zero praise
yes
so what is the experience working with someone in such profile
icyo kubanza cyabyona abeshongozi nyoni imbashaba mwetegure hata abantu nka Bruno he's a star rota kunda bintu ebyo nore Rocky guy no muntu arahambo no mabana abana bakunu no actually na my role model Rage na wayine mu that character he's a star konka noreba the calmness norengu no muntu you get takubugutana
abinji Limelight nike badaivatinga kuba abantu tingumanya
era nyore exactly Limelight ni jana
Rage amsanga stamka
no wasana kumurabo
no shangu nawe takuchuma ngo star
exactly era nyendore bashoye rugogo akajwara ki akatera kasyutke
namanga abantu bona bakaba
yijane ko niye
bakaba nze mu changing emno
gakwenda lete no mangu gaya akachikora icyanshemize nyowe nyina Karo omucyara wa Karo twena ntumanye akija yamweshongora mama tukargamanya twina magezi stine man you know kiripezo no muzima yamweshongora hari piaza kuchirizo mukikuru kumureta kuno reba manyamama ebitanda no hatecho nikikoreka ngwitwe turi original itwe nk'abana ba burengero wizoba exactly akija yakuterere suitiye ya gira
very normal
like expensive konka no
people abinje abantu bachakushisha time y'abantu
exactly wakatutera music akatutera music
fashion show. I've never understood this thing.
Yes.
Nyoni y'umuntu omwe
so hatecho na kireta because of Mr Bruno kujangu personality ye tiwo muntu wo kuza kwepanga kweturika
actually
if he's good he's good
a minute nico twire ebirebi ningambira abana na munonga through my handles kujanti if you're an artist or emusoborwa from Western Uganda banzomanye ayinkurugane ne batwaza bata norms and customs what do they want akwana wari abana bari mune ba performing aje kaba be ba DJ kaba ba MC kaba be beshonguza nabantu abari decent
exactly and
akuba abantu bakorwa mu Western Uganda abanyankore abaciga abanyoro abatoro they like decent things
exactly
natwargo muside yitu yendo nkazo political things no reba mugisha muntu target mu opposition takuza kushana na norgo mu opposition wa Kampala characters and behaviors so no bazomanya abantu abinkuruga
we have preserved our norms regardless of the fact we are twin and a kingdom but we have still
no
still our audience knows the right thing
ati nyendorebe music wabugana Sister Charity ati nani ndamusa Sister Charity ni njure nkofira kabere de Mariam namubugana
Queen Marion
ni muramusa antanye n'enkofira like it's respect kujangu nuba yes Queen Marion ni mumanya yes nichikoreka checho kujangu nuba kwa pen patrol nkambugana ho some years back aturigo mu ekere correction yabe actually Ray jar kuza kora his first concert aje kwa MVP pakate chireyo Charity abakwijuka bijuka you know by the MVP ni we respect my brother yes because konkana wa mubugana ebiri 10 okuyikumi hira redo ninza kubandu MVP because ntuza kubaturuho table nyon ndio wa table red mude empire
table ya ni kuberi na don
nkore medium church rigecho nito tukore table
already
dan
nachimanya
exactly
dan MVP na wana mumba
of course hata ni nkoreka nyendorebe the people the calmness they are stars unoza kushanga MVP is a big radio personality manager Santana no mbugana akora musyaje very normal arabana
fame te kubiya ho that
no sanga abana ba Ivan ogogo wa vision
Ivan
nakora musyaje they are nice people baba feel bataba you know no no muzitu
my first time meeting people does this guy know that he's a star
Paul is my friend people people the way he's soft hach mwana we no gamba
ukota nyoke tuko soga nyoke ntoga ine
kota kumanya you know yes kabe omega
you never lose anything
yes kabe omega
the first time I met
omega they are stars Red Mariam no mushango muramusyaje
I've moved in different
ni bakuramusya na kije
I've moved in different shows with
yes truth ni mauna truth sakumanya how big he is the way he's humble he doesn't nyoni nkoreka ngu nyina keshongoreka kindu kunda mnonga ka okoni kondi skin liko boy my body aine kara ina kujangu mwana bad you know like nani intereche byeshongore byona nyoni mpiki ngamwobwe na wamuro omuwena
sengera man wana amshanga backstage area
no he's a very calm guy basije champion kabe sije
yenchaka gamba abeshongozi bajiraka vimbo abeshongozi basharaga jiraka vimbo backstage koze man baribona na fans bako bari wakabara umuntu atine that kavimbo ari kureba aba fans chimasa mwahike
nyoni ni mangu musicians aba west abinji tubakumanya ni mamu non to a few nka Paulo gwe tipo ogwe na amanya konka binji tubakumanya ninye ndo kubamanya because Rigani I think I need to confirm Reggie what role model no
one thing I know about Reggie na taking a time to know what
yes no Reggie is he's a role model he's a king abo wano chakana sevyo nebyawe konko ine kumangu Reggie ata nore na Kampala he has no Western ate ki yakozere nyeki nakunzire he joined the stars washanga regional respecting a Rasta Charles na respecting a Sister Charity na respect
Tachate chine
you
cyakungambera
no echo nibana bakubira
birayivu bya TikTok
echo nibana bakubira because
usanga wo bwa upcoming
tokubasa
besoma
tokubasa kunyanga oryo music ya Western Uganda tukagamba amazina hatari mu Reigi hatari mu Gioni hatari mu to mention but a few no manyisa
recognition obe bwinjiniye benga
Hilary Don tineche shongoro chawe latest I think it is 2 months back
yep
what you releasing wacheta this
and that
utwitas
manyaruhanga kakunkwasa nanyenka kwekwata
niunketi wano gabaru arokaraina kunkora yo mapaso no mtima na papaso
there's a way music connects with the soul
utachimanyere
yo nakusisa umuntu wako na isongo kashangu niye wachizamu so that line ichishongo twedgarka project no wajikozire
this and that nkaje handikira sure Hilary Don actually yes I do my music nimbi handikira so this and that nkaje handikira eka producing by the way chesho ngiricho chiroho story nkatembwa vibe artists okuturukore byeshongo so kuntembwa vibe nkani nyenda kucha haro producer untabuza gamba owabira ndiyo mbongo because I respect him bura muterire angira ati akuja nkatemba vibe nta programming ngere nawe hatinde busy hatobwo umuntu aro dropper beats my brother respect hatukuntera dropper hatindi apichi
abenja batakumanya dropper no yakozere acidic vocals
chai wenjaye it's okay acidic vocals very many songs is a big guy bammanyi so nkanyenda kukora nawe kumuterera tindi kuboda no manya struggle ya Kampala atkankubire ndeba chazo mudakika 3 nyorike vibe yakora
vibe mane yari nyire
yatembere
vibe ziri waguru zagira yeguru
hatingira ntno let me call temperature is a big guy nkanyi already contacts ze konka ntegerize my time to meet him hatinterera sikonda beat na when producer Kampala ho so hatkunterera sike mjanti you know what from the temperature ugo intera temperature nyechiro
temperature kuwa muri kugona like there are these things I want to itajira like some people no kubana itajira a music analyst this you need this cause nyo umuntu kuza considering a temperature touch no bano ma music munonga
yes no but temperature is a big guy
no muntu numango kuye ni manyanga binja besongozi
never
consider him
oh yes
haza abinje njana bamu recommending but yakora ngo kagira that option
yes ngajanta yes because he's musical he's a good akozere byeshongoro binje munonga kandi we yakozere kire cha my date teba kugezanga ku bintu mpe bitategerekeka ubwo temperature yakora no buomi remix akaselecta Jeff Grindad na Reigi
as man should akujanti
you get
koko bano manye ku industry kutunga those ideas
ubuomi and Reigi to me in that song selecta Jeff ni mango noza kutureba yo my guy ejo line ya Reigi take kwato that verse Hurrobu nuzinuri bundio mubiri ni utagata kuchira nasigiri so sweet he's my role model obetagambo so at temperature irachikanyambaho kuna muterera ati ya ndi ku studio jangu zibashahi na zechiro
music abinje batakushaka music abinje bamuteka n'iciro
so hatunzayo ngira nti obwe vibe kuntemba njanti nawo nabugana nkomushiki nkamugambira kikujangu ankunde abo wanje
so is that how you guys draw the inspiration for this song
yeah real artists apa era nabahandi
kibono ino gomo kwesonga urangu yes na feeling icyo nakora
nabahandi kibono you cannot draw anything from nothing never
there must be an
inspiration
oguni Hilary Don and in a temperature touchy manya ruhanga kakunkwasa nanye nkakwekwata kobura omutima gushasha mbwenu mwani wokampamba egotyo mbwenu nomanya baby ninyenda ngomanya onchenje abandi nomanya nenkwenje ninyenda ngogomonye tenge yo mapasono n'omutima naguha pasono yo mapasono n'omutima naguha I will do this and that baby ninyenda nkukunde I will do
Yes, something we are still missing in Western Uganda. Kugiranti abantu nibabaryo ko hati nkabo. They have what should be given to us and they keep quiet.
Not even that they keep quiet. Now that is a role kubantu itajerwa wo radio presenter kugenda ukadiginga deep ukahereza your viewers what they need.
Of course ndecho nchimasa ngwito torumuntu tukorogwe.
aza ntabashwire kirimi nintwara umurisho kwebaza bona banyambere ho sofa abashaba bankunzire timanya kirioke nabaha mention
Okay, those are the people we
exactly nyowe nkahira redon ni nsima omwami Beda rude boy Beda
Yo
chinchiz he's
Rwanda
UG
Gumushija muringo mulungu
huge kwa kweta UG those then her Uncle Cliff Bona FM
yeah. That guy
DJ Eddie Pro DJ Eddie Pro no mango abana they even
been a contribution mpango wa music kukana budgeting
hariona na Nesta
no they are just
Nesta radio rukunje Nesta go wiraka that nice guy no tuwo mpira he's nawe Nesta actually Nesta ijo kiriyaringe naza kushabira oyijaha ankore media Burukundo gamba Nesta bareta DJ Nesta
not is DJ Nesta takwa radio rukunje nyine
yes nahari he's a nice guy hariho Juri Counter FM rukunje by that rukunjere nkunze actually Kigezi abana bakigezi
Bineravel genuine tubakagire mu runto
Bineravel genuine sabana abo
ati nyonka shomero muri Kigezi no bakiga
nyonka rugo muri Kigezi kazarugwa muri wa rukunjere buyanza
yes actually even my best friend na argachigataho
so
kabare Uncle Bright
so recognize those
Uncle Bright tarema
they need their flowers
Uncle Abu so Beda Juri Nesta Rwanda UG Dariasi Nawario KBS like there are guys who have Uncle Cliff
Chinchizi broadcasting
Uncle Cliff DJ Eddie Pro can we Eddie Pro whatever he's even Yanga nakasigazi Eddie Pro
mama Isaac Kiga
no he's a good guy Eddie Pro
big as on yourself man
Bantu DJs ba Kigezi I think oireho Kigezi region naga Kigezi nima Benjamin it is Eddie Pro
Eddie Pro is number 2 yes
he's a nice guy
abona nyina chendo singa kandi no nyoti nkunanga
Benjamin njati nkamanye
no
Benjamin Pro jai
azana Kampala
so nano
Benjamin naza kuronda hirare dono mpagire bro
man ariona nundisho
so hata ntundu kushaga batari kabo
so media you
my guy Tariki
media you agamba kane ya Kigezi does that mean
kandi Tariki kuno wambara
Tariki no wa
media
Tariki
no DM Swaga no wambara
go bad boy DM Swaga and boss
in the family as by the way simbira mazutusabira karo abantu ba mwizi
so abantu ba mwizi bataringa yaron azaniza kushabwa abantu babiri munyikiriza I'm not political konka abantu abatwiro music industry abantu abatwiro mu industry bataringa yaron adi amutwire kansara LC5 mwizi sub county then tiyo Rwampara stage numeche nagarka Rwampara munyikirize Rwampara ninza kubashaba brother Kenneth obanchihiraho n'enkofira abantu ba Rwampara yes it's okay abantu ba Rwampara brother Keno atwire nitwe munonga na Darito talent era bona beshonguza batakagire yo kuteka hira kwongerira karyaba ahariye already
we are giving back.
You have to give back. Brother Kenneth atuberireho kandi na yazo mu parliament ni impamya hati ntuza kutunga ntwenda copyright.
Yeah, serious.
Gaya Tiro Music since 2010 arya Radio West.
Nyoni ndare no association is artists.
Exactly. He's a good guy. No man akuja ntu Western n'abantu Barrio. So brother Keno honorable nyoni nsaba abantu barwampara East bakurebere kimwe oizenkai a parliamentary avenue arhona tima wono warwampare ha South ni South ninga West
rwampara yenyine
manager Hudson bantu b'abanyarwampara turna Yesu no mangu Hudson we've never met physically, but he knows my name. Whenever I need advice, I go inbox. Ni mangu na busy. Ukaburu kunguze nti Hilary Don. Oh,
Hilary Don.
Akwabura.
Approachable guy.
Very approachable. Sabantu barwampara. Nyonka Hilary Don ni nshaba. Mundebere bataringaya amutire Ronald. Kansara DM Swaga numumano mozo wanyu. And he has been there for us. Musically. Mundebere brother Keno. Brother Kenneth. Kanyesije Kenneth. Rwampara East. Azejo nagitamwa kensu sabwe nsonga. Bya bitahindukire.
Okay.
Personal. Hey, abanyarwa Bugamba. Gambo kwenturabo kwe.
Rugamba.
Okay. So then na manager Hudson murebe turna Yesu Hudson. Because they are our people.
So this means that tugamba mazina ngago tumansanti they have done a big role in music. Now they want to serve also other people.
Exactly.
Of course ogwabo muri music ati
gukozerwe
DM Swaga kozere everything on music.
No toine cyo kumbana
Hudson turi nawe the managing kuteka music ya Western Uganda
atumanya
it's just support.
No reva yes.
Then of course brother Kenneth emyaka ya mazira
he has been Western Uganda
he has been there. It's now time nabo bagende ba serving.
Yes.
And izo rankani.
Exactly. They are the icons bamwe abitwine bakachai now. Those are the people who have.
No.
So far so good because na ambassador wa VU. Yes, na ambassador wa VU. So hata no kunyangwa
anzire ngambere ba celebrities mwe nabo kwenda kwega.
Yeah, actually Dr. Lawrence.
Then ngwajero kuya
Dr. Lawrence vice chancellor wabo.
Nenda kuza kushoma
and Victoria University by the way is too good. Student Ngugu he's my yes mwija Victoria University mushome anko Kachina atman oreba twine kozesa those people because Kachina is approach nyota kumanya by the one abinagamba I assure you tubakumanya but abamwe ba I
Dr. Lawrence
VC wa Victoria University Lawrence Muganga
Nshaba Basare
ZJ Biazi Serebu Wambara Nkore Media twarashuwari Kachina arho ntugenda
yani Nshaba Basare
agwana umunywana wanje chance arashuwari
nakusoma IT
yeah actually that is my course
nenda kushoma IT
no manya nore Sparks hatu gona the days kushanga ngo abantu abari mu art tubashoma
IT
yeah gone are the days
ni mangu nyosonga bwenchi Kachina is always landing on bigger and
exactly
fields.
Okay hata kega cause talent akajine
you cannot be a brand ambassador wa university utakotine nanka
hati ware nkachina akichereza yagarkayo bagamba
anytime Victoria University ne basa student
Sparks na iza ZJ
nyewe vice chancellor na musaba Basare
echo cyahwa naza kure program eji anko Kachina abozomba banimba leta ni mangu takumanya but nyoni manya naho kumwiha ni impamanya
ciao
so ni na Dr. Lawrence Kenyini he's a very approachable man. So actually Dr. Lawrence naza kubakuretera no shoma because art alone is okay, talent is okay. Kungata kubenda kutaya isa Nigeria ugamba ki
ijo ngani yo mu triple action force mutinga aba America
ni ojuke ni abira gujite twendo buyambe nkaki washanga umuzungu Queen Elizabeth hi what's up
one project can I help you blend like art and
education yeah
it's a very perfect
era ni nshaba bona abana bari kutureberaho ninga bari mu art mwena because art mu parties nyingi mushome reka tushome because wo tashomire umujega cyawero bikumwebembera haza bakamukoze se bitahikire so tushome azana mayigayi I don't know Paulo ni mugambo no cause he's a friend to me ariona yeah
Paul is a Mbara
anjira no murebe kwego kwe kuriya you know so hatumure ba role models numbareba barono bagaraka nkahi ayishomero for bigger what
bagakozere
amazina bagina
it's bazine so it means
they are serving
is not something kinora nyabona bengo my school like I was so much into music that I almost
dropped out
ended up
kunka was it the best option
no at now we just realized only that for us twabefika baga tosanga you don't have a way out
oh yeah
but utilizing ngakanye ndakukora intro
yeah no basa kugira byo rukunda bingi hata nyundi umuntu ninkondo mpira very much era ba manu ni mangu Team Blue ni mangu musawanje of course ni manya is a Chelsea guy konka nyowe Team Man U aho nyona Man U turututi toka twahura but yes echo ni nkore kangu nkiriyo mu high school nkaba ukoshanga nywa nkano mu entertainment konka nkaba ngezeho kureba ngo administration yashashura umushoro weekend tureba umupira ticha kuyabira boro mu prep that was okay konko mushoro kwaho gwa DSTV ishomero nuruko
turuge twiriro kwendera most of the time ntureba Hilary Don akakuze ebyeshongoro so far 2024 ebyeshongoro cha Nontera
urumubyinji
this and that
yes
this and that take off in the video
konka
urumubyinji in the video
no urumubyinta in the video
okay
so we are working on it though it will be this and that first.
What should we expect from today ngabafanizi bawe n'abandi abayomondo
yo ine kumangu nubwe twasimbura that one I can assure you habo kuba ekichoncho n'ekichoncho hato tuyija hijwa so nija tinija nyanda clearing each tinija competing with anyone but I'm joining everyone nyoni za kwegita habaroho kandi ninyakira n'abarankurate kugira ngo nijo mu industry to add my talent the existing talents so hata beshongozi mwena utakandeba nka competitor apana I'm joining you because agara hamwe nugogara machi nugogati
actually we need more
participants
because nakujanteje nenyanja hati nyendotere mwaka shanu ngu nogo mwaka tinoro kuzarugogo shut it down kandi ni mar munayize konkata ndamugambe abatinkwikiriza yeah truth no bingi tiza ku mentioninga but at least nyunkanye wambuzo ti wano yendo
ha industry with 3 or more ages never etachina kugira ngo western
let me tell you one thing
music
let me tell you one thing chizo nawe ningambara tugia spotlight and I had discussing about something kujanti inechikubura yes ni babiru but at least we have done something
so to give it time
omugiyecho dekan kuba open I think this year Taro Central Artist Store taking show mu Western Uganda to be open
no
korera university in hotunesha tine wajanikiri
no mabwenji no
what could be the reason no I mean from set kujangu ni main man yija nko kuba bene bija last year
atwakiri hatu no mangu no yeshanga ngo kwija mbarra hati wotine so and so ninga wotine aza na solidarity je yizire nayo nenungi hatu no yeshanga ngo abana bari munna bambuka bajojo banabo ogumusho mhango pretty mark yeah pretty mark simba jike yeah she's nice yeah no rengo abo hata jo generation utabine noti no tarakorre band so hata echo na solidarity ejo nimpamya promoters ni mwebare kushanga ngu hatu wano booking omuntu haruho ibituru kumanya ngu wine kumangu abana bitu hatu twakibikaka musically people are there abana baro and they are doing well, so hatu nesha kana na these medias gund izo za Radio West ijo hakari yekiguturo hata ndebere yo manyobane kijomero maru barugera ruta exactly but support ingire batkunda sabantu
namwe tegereze kitagururo cyankore media
you know hata nkore media niko hata kitagururo
goma
hona kiraze so ati norengo it's nice platforms zigwirwe hata kushanga ngo umwana witu nayemerera ati naza Kampala kanda kitera kanu mu kitero reba ngo aho nkareba abana ba West they performed and it was nice zamani nkamureba nareba Dog City vibe nareba this guy this Simba Karho pretty Karho
Snaz performed
Snaz as if na such solo
a lot of them.
Yeah, I saw very many.
But leaving that factor on 20th, we had 3 different events in different regions.
Yes, nyonkandi wa zamani. Kandi wa zamani ni mangure ya Karambare, live Mbare,
Nanka tipo wazini Kabale. Same day, 3 different cities.
Hata echo nico cyo rukwereka ngweje n'enyanja. Hata tipa kaza Kabare yajubenje geze. Ray yazambare yajubenje geze. Fact zamani yija Kampala yajubenje geze and things were nice.
Now this the industry we have all been praying for and we are so positive about the direction they're going to take.
Yes, and
that is something you know crediting every participant on your music.
Just respect. Yes. Ekikuru hata abana barikwenda kuyijana nizarawo bashamu. Western music ninga music hatero uija nizarawo tokurabaho. Just respect, learn, be better.
Maybe chinkwendera nacho nyonko muntu. I want to remind those people who think they are owning the industry. That is normal. Wowe nakakuku kawo kujoti ninye ndikusharira mune
twana ndabyazino rabiri umurinyi
era ni intwaro mu gishogu nanye maybe to speak to them numwemanya wishanga ngo imwe tumukwikireza if you are or ZJ no fear what you wakwatagana na Sparks
nothing
you get you are an MC big up to the MCs ni mashukrani manya kunana shukrani yes yeah is a good guy shukrani manya baritha nabo kacheche itisina nabandi ba DJs yes barumu rhythm selector ni actually bona bindi gambaho nyote bakumanya but because I'm a musician has and your industry I have to cause happen wanya kutoka ma DJ Alberto 43 effect so yeah he's a calm guy so
supplement on what you're saying abata kumanya where it's coming from. We have always got complaints from artists bakujirango when someone is going to book them there are people who are positioning as brokers by middlemen by industry kujango nani nyenda hira the don utaka mushira nyoba ninyo wagamba nawe nyenda ramuze nawe nyenda akore ukimwe nawe
no abana bine management I think Alpha that's a management that means one on that people you go through
so you can get these people this
one on the Omega ari mu diagram you know what one on the Ray awesome one on the Emirates kazi super rich gang so
avoid being conned information is sponsored by management zones za Western Uganda.
Oh yes,
avoid being conned na no kusaba maybe HTR what you should be paying
the illegality
no inoku okujara that interaction na management directly through the artists social handles twachine ho ba broker ngwano ndana nkanora biro murnanka yes so Beazini is there anything you want to konjera stakasibira abantu?
I think nothing I can add on no kuyaho no kujanti kubaho highlights wa kubadio ko takuchumanya recently there is a new songs out video ya this and that is coming through
yes.
Watch out for that
ngamboro kuza kujikora ninga
nabyo wano mabya ngo twongere
Keron FX abakumanya no mumanya
ogo twa forever
yes
no talk to
ogo in a video Western Garden 1 something million.
that is it of course if you want to be the best work with the best
no talk to
Omsayo mbeche CV eso
ya Keron FX big up my man
bagamba Keron FX ni bagamba Keron nato mukaga wechisano wachire cha video kwerene
another highlight facts tuneyo eteshongurutsia cha tipo na Royji
Nyamunyonyi
Nyamunyonyi
yeah
abana wachira
of course Mr Bruno at what do you expect washanga Mr Bruno Royji tipo 256
ebegenzara ya Western Uganda
that nichiga china gambire wala Bruno tipo Royji we got a correct product
exactly
the other combination we had we can't wibuzaka about a HRGM product ya watching
so
but
of course obweno buba mutumu kubura
so this time around it's very perfect no complaints
maybe I remember music I'm signed under More Fire kanda
or Genovana Ala
and nothing to watch out for I've heard from Omega 256 video ya Bambi is coming next
good song yeah
so we should watch out for that as well
and ntaka jenze ni matu ryo mu kugenda artists bantu amwe songwriter kan yoti nyine mberambi
I know
nimba sana kwekeshongoro cyanje iwo kitere because ntukorera industry yeah
mtumogo gwe mwana kana
because no ata noreva what do you lose waba because nyom family yitu am first born so I know what it means okusikabandi so hata na kando neruzinga busha ya sizindi
actually they make more
kandi zona kuzuru kwaka zikora ki more
no kwaka wenka no kwera
noho so that means reka tukundane twehagire reka buri mama nyamanyu amana ga mutahiwe and that's it so mumpikire Hilary Don am accessible
so omurikeshe cyo kwikirira ato muntu arkwenda Hilary Don kuganira no personal ninga kugira business ema discuss na music ye handles
and Hilary Don Facebook Hilary Don Mode Empire TikTok nyine Hilary Don that is X ninga Twitter kurugire cyo kwenda kujeta yes Instagram ni Hilary Don erandoho then YouTube ni Hilary Don at Mode Empire because new management yanje go there subscribe like tukundane sharing
after here taragaza ukachaha YouTube search bano direba heri typing a mechigambo Hilary Don then urebe bitwantu gamba ure music weye like sharing very industry as
na ba TikTokers muri abamana bana challenges ni nzireba hariho anyway amazina kambe ngare kiribad ubundi maybe konka you're doing well and you're giving us what we deserve
we sign out tumwe bari munonga bana batureba of course tune off savage behind cameras you can visit us nshangwa hajuru kwa Gopraza for any kind of service you do wish to have from us photography ebintu bya internet we are the masters
graphic designing
nkore media film ankore we sign out
so of course nabangine nabantu Brad Sparks nabangine Savage camera of course and warko batambwire nitwe you get see us when we see you